Hello friends, in this video we'll measure the pressure that the fuel pumps creates. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. It means that the car does not drive well, does not gain momentum, and stalls on a go. Check it everything everywhere. It means to check the fuel pump.
Ama diyorsan da gel. Güzel. Kod bir abi.
Hazır.
Ha kodda.
Friends, as you can see, the pressure gauge show 4,
Şeyleri
but
de
should show 5. After the engine stops, the pressure drops to 0 completely. It's a sign that the pump isn't holding pressure. That's all friends. Now I need to change the fuel pump.